Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. First step to do it is opening Google Chrome application, where we choose three dots on the right corner, there settings, and now password manager, and there we can manage our password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our messenger account. To do that we must press on it. Then we must enter the look screen to confirm it, and there we can copy our email, copy our password by this icon, or after we press this icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can also edit all by tap on edit, and there we can write something new, and we can change some in passwords and username, and we can add note to our passwords if we need. To save it we must press save. We can also delete all our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.